Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TradingView app on your Android device. TradingView is a powerful charting tool that's perfect for traders and investors. It's a very simple download process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Now type TradingView. You will see the TradingView app appear in the search results. Look for its official app. It should have this logo. Once you have found the app, you can see the install button right next to the app icon. Tap on it to download this app on your device. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed in your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded and installed TradingView app on your Android device. You can now log into your account or create a new one if you don't have any, and you are ready to start exploring the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.